find it really fascinating that women and girls are actually born with their full complement of follicles, and inside that, the eggs as a baby. And as you said, there's millions. And actually, the whole apparatus or the whole system comes, and it's not yet completely developed. And then that's the component of puberty. And then with puberty, actually, you have a controlling system that comes, and it's actually in the center of your brain, and it controls how your hormones may come from your ovary. It gives it a signal. There are pubertal signals that say to the ovaries, now it's your time to sort of start creating some hormones that are important, that come from the ovaries, and continue the development of the reproductive tract. That whole tract is not only the ovaries themselves, but your womb and then the tubes that connect. So actually, as you start developing in puberty, it may be younger than some, like, usually around about 10, you're starting to see signs of development. And then actually, if the general age is that you have your first period at 13, that is actually the end of that pubertal development for a woman. So that means that whole tract is now ready, in a sense, to be fertilized. But don't tell the 13-year-olds that. And in some cultures, actually, your very first period is celebrated. So say I have both a Tongan side and a Filipino side, and actually both cultures do celebrate this. And it, as a teen, it is a very embarrassing thing, but that's essentially what it's heralding, is that a coming of age step. So some cultures may talk about 18 or 16 or 21. So there's different parts in different cultures. So this is just one of them.